So we got the 5.2 V10 engine out of the S8. Oily, grimy, quite a bit of a process. Overall not too bad. Had a couple mishaps. And right now I just want to go over the main reason why I pulled the engine out. A lot of oil smoke. Mainly just entering the cabin, and frankly it's a little embarrassing. These rear cam covers here, rear timing chain covers, I suspect that they are leaking oil. That coolant is old. We can kind of see, let's see. You can't see too much. But once you take the headers off, it'll be a little bit more evident. I did replace these valve cover gaskets. They did not seal. They were not OEM ones. I don't know if they're crappy. I don't know. I don't know if all this oil that's also on the back of the timing cover is just runoff from here. But definitely oily, dirty. But what I do think it is, so here we have, let me put this down for a second. Cam cover, and this is the upper cam carrier, and the head is the cast lower cam carrier. In between that, there's a seal. So the seal, you can actually break it apart right here. I don't know if it's runoff just coming down, but I do know for sure, and I'll show that later, that I do have oil entering the spark plug wells. I was thinking originally as a band-aid, just to take it out and machine a little sleeve with like a 1/2 thou to 1 thou press fit that you just hammer in. It would essentially seal off this interface from any oil mitigation into the plug well. However, if it's still leaking out, nothing you can do about it. You got to pull it out. You got to fix it. So you got oil all over here. Old rag. All of this. From back here to... Can't even tell just yet if this timing cover is leaking. But we'll take a look at all that. So looks like definitely all the exhaust has to come off for the tranny to separate. I'm going to pull the engine crane over. Try to get some of this work done. So it honestly seems like it was a little easier just pulling it. And the rest of it's still going to be the major job, separating everything else. It is what it is. We'll get it done, slowly but surely. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you like. Subscribe, hit the like button, whatever you want to do. Tips and tricks are always appreciated. Let's get another look at this oil here. Just caked everywhere. It looks like a diesel engine. Looks like my Cummins outside. We'll get it taken care of.